currently for our course, we are going to focus on C languages. Okay, so don't worry, it will be fun. Okay, inshallah, I'll try to make it fun. Okay, so the course content, the course outcome of this course is demonstrate various techniques in solving a problem, construct and run programs, and differentiate various techniques in solving a problem. So all of this we will conduct in C, C languages. Huh? Okay, so for the class, okay, to confirm back. Okay, in your class, supposedly your class will have, okay, your class will have 4 quizzes. Okay, and then you will have 1 assignment and I think 2 tests. Okay, test will be hand-on tests where you will do according to a time limit. Okay, according to a time limit where you have to complete the task within that period. Okay, quizzes, I think it will take only 10 minutes. It's a simple quiz. All of this we will conduct online. Okay, the assignment, um, since the assignment is not limited to individual, okay, I'll try to make it individual, but in case you are preferring to have a group assignment, okay, I can still make it group assignment. It depends on you guys. This one will be later on after midterm. I will confirm back the specification later on. Okay, so this is basically the academic session. Okay, what chapter, okay, what quiz, and what kind of assessment. So in this case we have 2 mini project and assignment here, assignment and mini project. But in your case, you don't have a mini project, you will only have assignment. Okay, so next, okay, this is the chapter that we are going to discuss. Okay, starting with programming. This one is basically reserved for computer science students, but in your case, okay, I will try to make all of them a little bit more simplified so that you can understand it even more clearly. Okay, so basically for the class, okay, the rules are simple. Enjoy your class, meet the requirement, do not skip the class, score your mark, and try to get full mark. In programming, okay, as long as you can deliver the output according to the question provided, you can get full marks. So don't have to worry. It's either you can get full marks or you can get really bad marks because you cannot produce the output at all. Okay. So the medium of communication here, okay, will be in Kalam. Okay, I have set up the Kalam. That's why you are in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so maybe afterwards, we only have face-to-face session like this Google Meet session uh, on Tuesday during the lecture. While during the lab session, I will make it personal. Means that you do the task according to what is published in Kalam. Okay, there will be a lab exercise and there will be answer also provided in Kalam. So in case you have any question, you can ask me during the lecture session in the next week after the lab. Okay. So please try to not miss the lecture, okay? And since the lab exercise also will be recorded, please try to do and submit all those lab exercise. So the lab exercise will mirror the test, okay? If you can do the lab exercise, means that you have no problem for your test. It's only that the test has limited time for you to do and submit them, okay? For lab exercise, I will give around 1 day, okay, for you to submit them. Okay, so in case you did not submit any of your lab exercise or any of your tests or quizzes, okay, you will be considered fail. Okay, no matter what the reason. Okay, I got LI next semester, I need to pass no matter what the reason is. Okay, I cannot let you pass. Okay, in case you do not comply to my requirement. Okay, so for programming, okay, for this class, it's just simple. Follow the university rule for the class, and also the university rule means that this is my rule for the class, and we can have a great semester together. So basically, fulfill all the requirement. And for programming, basically, you just need a lot of exercise like math. Okay, if you are doing chemistry, you do a lot of mathematical exercise. You like mathematical exercise means that you should like programming as well. Okay, I hope you can comply to all the requirement and pass and aces all your exercises later on up until the end of the semester. So up until now, do you understand or not? Do you understand?
Understand.
Yes,
Okay.
doctor.
Okay. Anybody has a question?
Doctor, do we have a physical class?
Physical class, we will not have a physical class. This is programming class. It's much more efficient to do it online. Okay.
Okay,
Do you
doctor.
need a physical class?
No, no, just asking.
Okay. I will explain why is it more efficient this way later on. Okay. Because in physical class, okay, just at the moment, I would like to ask, all of you are using PC or some of you are using, any of you using phone? Anybody using phone or all of you using PC? You guys using PC,
Using
right?
phone now.
Huh?
I'm using phone now.
You using phone now?
Uh-uh.
Okay. So do you have a PC with you?
No,
You don't
not
have a
today.
laptop? Huh?
No. I did have, but my laptop in the car, and then my dad's going to work.
Oh, not you don't, not now lah.
Not now.
Okay, not now lah. Okay, anybody else cannot afford a laptop or something like that? Okay, you can WhatsApp me personally like that. Okay, do you anybody else who doesn't have a laptop?
Right now, doesn't have the
Why?
laptop.
Fixed, broken.
Yeah.
Okay, when do you expect you can get it back? Next week?
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, so for today's class, okay, I'll explain to you what we are going to do today. Yeah. Okay, today we are going to set up your PC, okay, according to the specification of your lab PC, so that we can have your practice environment in your laptop. So we are going to install these code blocks. So what is code blocks? Okay, what is code block? Basically, code blocks is software for you to do some coding. So in case you want to do some coding, okay, here you can create empty file. Okay, like in this case, I open already save file. Okay, so in this case, I have this codes. Okay, and then I can run it. And then I can get the output here. In this case, the output is hello world. Okay, I code for the command prompt to produce hello world here, and this is the result. So this is what we're going to do. So our test later on and quizzes, okay, will be based on this. Means that, okay, I might give you a code, and then like for example, you have this one, you copy paste like this, and then you run it. So you save, okay, and then you run it. So every time you run, you have to close this. You run it. Okay, so you got the result. And then for some quizzes, I might give you an incomplete code. Okay, I might give you an incomplete code where you have to complete the codes and try to produce the result as the same result. Okay, and submit the code back using Google Form. Okay, so in this way, the marking and the exercise will be much more efficient if you have your own PC to do all this coding. I'm not sure whether Code Block has an app or not, okay, where you can use it on phone, but mostly we use it on PC. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, doctor.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Okay, so right now, okay, I need you guys to get ready so that I can tell you how to install the code blocks. Okay, are you guys ready? You guys ready?
Yes, doctor.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Let's
so
go.
what? Ready or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so open your Google Chrome like this. Okay, or you use my Firefox or Microsoft Edge or IE whatever lah. Okay, open your Google Chrome like this. Okay, and then you type code blocks, search for code blocks. Okay, so if you have opened code blocks here, okay, press the download button. Okay, you have the download button here. Okay, so now go towards the binary release. Download the binary release. Okay, and then once you go to the binary release, okay, scroll down at the bottom to see all the releases. Okay, so why are we not using the latest one? One of the reason is that the older release much more stable in a lot of PC lah. Okay, because it's older, so they comply to a lot of older PC requirements. So it's much more safer, much more reliable to use on all kind of PC. So go older releases. Okay, so for this one, we are going to use releases 16.01. Okay, so far so good. Anybody had any problem? Okay, go towards releases 16.01. Okay, 16.01. Okay, so when you go towards 16.01, don't press the download latest version. Go towards downwards, press Windows. If you're using Mac, you can use download Mac. Okay, if you're using Linux, you can download under Linux. Okay, try to use it on this version. So if you have Mac, okay, you can download this for under Mac. Okay, so you just follow the instruction. Okay, so we are going to download them from Windows. Okay, here, download the 16.01 Ming W setup. This one, this one, download this one. Okay, now press it and download. Okay, so once you press it, it will download automatically. Okay, your download will start shortly. Okay, and your download will start. Okay, it's 79.9 megabyte. So it's quite a big file, so it might take a little bit time. Okay, so Ming W setup, this one. Okay, so you guys got it so far?
Start there.
Just double click the code blocks. Opening code blocks. Okay, you got code block setup. Okay, press everything up until you finish. Next, 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 next. Okay, next, next, next. Okay, and then install. Because I already installed it. Okay, can somebody share their screen instead of me? Who willing to share their screen? Okay, here. Okay, I've stopped sharing here. Okay, anybody want to start sharing their screen so that everybody can share who are installing right now? Nabila, maybe
I can,
Nabila can
Doctor.
share? You can. Okay, Akmal. Okay, Akmal, share your screen. Okay, good thing about programming using this method, we can share the screen at time. Okay, now do you want to run code blocks now? Yes, click. Hey, wait, wait. Yes. Wait. Okay. Why is it again? Oh, it takes a long time. Okay. Okay, you have a GNUCC compiler detected. Okay, press OK. Press OK. Okay, and then next. Okay, Chrome is not a default application C++. Okay, press yes. Associate code blocks with C++ type. Okay. Okay, now you have installed there. Can you create a file? Open the left, new, empty file. Okay, and then copy this code that I put in the message here. Okay, copy this code and paste it in the file. Let's see. Okay, you need to save as the file first. Save as file, save as. Okay, give it a name first. Okay, untitled C++, save. Okay, just untitled also can. Save. Okay, now try build. Build is the gear one. Can you see the play button on top of it? Play button. Okay, then turn on the left. Build first. Okay, build first. Okay, when you build, at the bottom, can you see log and others? Okay, on the right side, there is a build log. Okay, the fourth tab. The fourth tab. Can you press the fourth tab? Okay, so this one, when you build, you can see there are 0 error, 0 warning, right? So when there are warning, error, 0 warning means that your code are working well. So now press the play button. Nothing come out. Oh, wow, why is so slow? Okay, hello world, 11.25 second. Okay, so this means that your code already working. Okay, so it takes 11.205 seconds to produce this result. So means that your codes are successful, Akmal. Means that from later on, you can use the software, okay, to do all the tasks easily. Okay, you won't have any problem. So for next task, you just create new file, okay, and then you write your codes there, okay, or copy paste the codes that I've given, and then you can run it immediately. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing with us. Anybody wants to share the screen who has any problem right now?
Doctor, I have a problem.
Okay, share your screen, please.
Wait now.
Okay. Okay, where are you right now? Have you installed? On your mic, on your mic. Tak dengar. Kiri sikit, kiri sikit.
Oh, tadi dah install, Doktor.
Okay, tengok, run code blocks awak tadi yang awak dah install. Close yang Meet ni, close, tutup dulu, minimize dulu yang Google Meet awak. Google Chrome awak minimize dulu. Okay. Code block awak tak jalan?
Wow.
Wow, what happened?
I don't know.
Blank screen.
Yusra time select to share screen tu kena tekan your entire screen.
Mana?
Oh, tekan entire screen. Tutup dulu, stop presenting dulu.
Wait.
Okay, hentikan pembentangan. Okay, masa start bila you nak present tu, you click at present tu, dia kata your entire screen. Okay, tekan your entire screen. Bukan a window or a tab. Okay, baru nampak. Okay, minimize balik. Minimize balik window. Okay, run code blocks. Okay, ni ada, okay. Tekan okay. Okay, nanti dia buka. Tunggu sekejap. Okay, yes, associate code blocks with C, C++ file type. Yes. Okay, so go to file. File atas tu, kiri atas, bukan kiri atas. Dekat dalam code blocks. Bukan yang tu. Okay, file new, empty file. Okay, awak copy paste saya punya code dekat dalam message tu. Okay, you got your code from message kan? Okay, copy. And then go towards the codes. Copy, please. Paste je. Paste. Mana paste? Tak ada. Control V je. Control V senang. Tak bukan kan? Control V.
Macam ni, Doktor?
Control V. Tekan button Control V. Tak keluar. Tu dah keluar. Okay, so pergi dekat file. Save file as dulu. Okay, save file as. Okay, just save saja. Tak apa, nama tu tak apa. Okay, save. Okay, you can see color dia bertukar, right? You can see the changes in the color, right? Means that this code is already a C code. Before this, they count it as text file lagi. So sekarang dia dah recognize it as C code. Okay, you can see the play button kan atas tu, sebelah dia. Play button yang atas tu. Atas tu play. Triangle play. Atas sekali. Cari kat dekat kanan, atas sikit. Situ, alamak, terlepas. Play button. Okay, sebelah dia ada gear tu kan, build. Belah kiri. Boleh, belah kanan tu boleh juga. Build, okay. Press the build button. Dah tekan
Dah.
Okay, dekat bawah, log and others tu. Okay, kita ada log and others dekat bawah kan. Bawah tu, yang bawah tu. Log and others tu kan. Okay, awak tekan tab build log. Nombor 4 tu. Okay, dekat situ dia ada mention 0 error, 0 warning, 0 minute 3 second. You see? Okay, now tekan play button tu, yang color green tadi tu. Run. Okay, you see? Hello world keluar terus. Oh, ni cepat pula. 0.33 second. Okay, hello world. Okay, so means that code awak dah boleh selesai lah. You have finished building a code. Okay, can you press the X close button tu sekejap? Okay, once you, next time, okay, every time I'll give a task, okay, or you want to do test, we will create the file, okay, and then you can save as dulu file tu. under nama test ke, quiz ke. And then you tulis code you macam ni. Okay, you tulis code you and then you build, you run. Okay, ada time yang when we build, there will be errors. When we build errors, okay, means that it cannot run properly lah. It cannot run. It cannot run. When you build errors, it doesn't build and it cannot run. It should not be run lah. Okay, so when you build something, make sure there are no errors. Warning still capable of running, but when there are errors, you cannot run them. Okay, so when you do the codes, please check whether there are errors or not. Okay, right now your codes, they don't have any errors in the build log, means that it's okay to run. Okay, you can perfectly run. Okay, okay, thank you very much, Yusra. Do you understand now?
Yes, I understand. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, good.